Hi, it's HardReset, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of router MU5120. So, let's start. I open it here. It was already opened by someone. Okay. So, what do we have in here? First, the instructions. Okay, we don't need it. So, in here we have our router, I think. Yes. Okay. It looks not like any other router I had. It have NFC. Okay. We'll leave it for now. And what do we have in here? Oh, the charging things. So the cable and this, I don't know what's its name. Okay, so we'll try to connect it. Oh, more like power it on than connect it. So, oh no. This goes in here. And to a contact. Okay. And this goes in here. Here's the power button. ZTE. Nice. Oh, quick charge. Nice. Okay. So, I think that's it. It has a reset in here. That it's swipeable. But I don't know how. It's turning on. Here's the power on off button. Here's the quick charge. Oh, and it has a touch screen. Continue. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.